Hello, and thanks for taking an InSync training course. As part of the course, you'll have access to InSync Central, where you can communicate and collaborate with your classmates, facilitator, and producer. InSync Central is super easy to use. Just sit back and watch this brief video to get acclimated. Go to the InSync Central website, click in the username field, and type your username. This will usually be the first letter of your first name followed by your entire last name. For example, D. Emojan for David Emojan. Next, type your password in the password field. The initial password is ChangeMe1 with a capital C. If you're on a private computer and would like InSync Central to remember your username, click in the Remember Username checkbox. Then, click the Login button. Now you're on the dashboard. From this screen, click on the name of your course to open it. Once you're in your course, you'll see contact information for both your facilitator and producer near the top right of the screen. The welcome packet at the top of the page on the left gives you everything you need to set yourself up for success in our virtual classroom. Your learning journal will be available for download here as well. Please download the learning journal prior to coming to class, as you'll be using it throughout each lesson. Depending on the class you're taking, there may be other files to download as well. Scroll down, and you will find links to each recorded session, as well as the link to your virtual classroom. Use this link to enter the session each week. If your class is in WebEx, the password is shown just below the link. A password is not needed for Adobe Connect. If this is the first time you're working in the virtual classroom, you'll find links that will allow you to test your access to the room, along with some additional instructions. Even if you've been in the virtual classroom before, it's a good idea to test the technology before your first live session. This will help ensure that you do not miss a thing. If there's work that needs to be done before your class begins, that will be listed here as well. Scroll down again, and you'll see a separate section for each live lesson in your course. This can include discussion forums, links to articles, and files to download with a single click. By the way, you can see whether or not you've completed an assignment right here on this page. A check mark indicates that an assignment is done. A blank checkbox means that it's not. Part of your InSync course requirement is to participate on the discussion board. Let's see how that works. To view a discussion topic, just click on it. After reading the post, to answer it, click Reply. Then click in the message area and begin typing your message. Want to add an attachment? Just drag the file into the designated area. When you're ready to send, click Post to Forum. Your post is added to the bottom of the page. Take note of the Edit and Delete buttons near the bottom right of your message. Let's return to the main page in your course and see how to download the learning journal. Back at the top of the page, click on the breadcrumb link to the name of the course to return to the previous page. To download the learning journal, start by clicking on the link. The learning journal opens as a PDF in a separate window. To save the file to your computer, click the Save button. The Save As dialog box opens. Save the file where you'll be able to find it easily. I'll save this to the desktop. Click the Save button to complete the save. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions at all, please email your producer or facilitator. Thanks for taking an InSync training course, and thanks for watching.